मुझे मजबूरी में बुलंदशहर जाना पड़ा। दबाव में मुझे रमन की पिटाई करनी पड़ी। मजबूर होकर मुझे यह नौकरी करनी पड़ी। हम आपकी दादागिरी बर्दाश्त न कर सकेंगे। रमन को ठोकर लगने वाली थी। क्या तुम सब्जी चम्मच से नहीं हिला सकते थे? आपको गंगा में स्नान करना चाहिए था। आपको बड़ी बड़ी नहीं फेंकनी चाहिए थी। क्या आप अपनी घड़ी टीवी से नहीं गिरा सकते थे? आपको मेरी किताब पर लाइन क्यों खींचनी पड़ी? हम धूप न सेक सकेंगे। आपको अपने वादों से क्यों मुकरना पड़ा? क्या आप अपना वादा नहीं निभा सकते थे? मोहन आपके साथ गद्दारी कर सकता है। आपको हरि का हाथ क्यों मरोड़ना पड़ा? फायर ब्रिगेड के कर्मचारी आग न बुझा सके। मैं रामलाल को सूचित न कर सका। मैं प्यारेलाल को पद से न हटा सका। Okay? These sentences you need to translate. And according to me, only translation is not a solution. Translation from Hindi to English is not a solution, but just to make your foundation, just if you want to make your foundation strong, at the initial stage you need to go through translation. But the moment you will become habitual of translation, then gradually, slowly, it will take some time, you will become habitual of English language. As we drive a car, have you ever seen a driver? So many times, because you have been boarding a bus, a train, right? So even in truck you might have sit, and even auto rickshaw. So when a driver drives a car, according to me, he might be involved in more than 50 months. In what manner? He is attending in the front, also he is attending on the right side
Left.
mirror. He is just noticing who is moving, who is coming from the back side, who is moving on right side, who is moving on left side, and in the meantime also he is attending. What is the time? Oh my God, electricity bill I have to deposit on tomorrow, and what about my school children's fees I have to deposit, and also he is talking on mobile, and also he is attending in which gear vehicle is moving, petrol tank is going to be empty, everything he is doing. If somebody would come in front of his vehicle, will he apply the brake or will he give an excuse? Excuse me sir, I was involved in so many work, that's why I couldn't apply the brake. No, he won't give any excuse, because he has become habitual. He doesn't need to apply the brake would be applied automatically, substantially. Accordingly, you don't need to speak out this language would come out automatically, substantially. But a lot of practice is required. On daily basis, you need to do the practice. Then you would become habitual. As we have become habitual of Hindi language. Hindi, we don't have any problem. Even a 3-year-old boy can speak out Hindi language very easily. And in a natural manner. You don't need to speak English language in an artificial manner. Like once there was a boy. Not like that. You need to be natural. You don't need to be artificial. Okay? Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.